When it comes to elevators, we've all gotten used to long lead times, long startup times, unsafe construction practices, and low quality. Well, this is a thing of the past with modular elevators. Modular elevators are the best solution. Standard installation takes 6 months or more, but we have a shorter lead time. Using the modular solution, elevators are built horizontally in the factory with the hoistway, car, and machine room built simultaneously. The result is a fully assembled, high-quality elevator that can leave our plant in 8 weeks after drawings have been approved. This process eliminates on-site challenges of weather or other construction delays. Standard installation and startup takes weeks, but faster startup with modular is a reality. Modular elevators are manufactured in a complete finished product. The design makes it easy to crane the elevators into place into stackable 50-foot sections. When the modular elevator arrives, it's ready for installation. In less than a week, a fully functioning elevator can be installed, tested, and ready for inspection, minimizing job site disruption. Building on-site means quality concerns. High-quality factory-built elevators meet strict quality and tolerance standards. Each elevator is checked daily for proper welds and alignment. The inspection team can simply walk the horizontal hoistway for quality control. All of the elevator parts are the same found in stick-built elevators, just assembled in a factory, maximizing efficiency and lowering risk. Also, all of our components are non-proprietary, so it makes servicing and maintaining them easier and less expensive. Every year, elevator technicians and other construction workers are needlessly injured. Modular elevators are safer to build because all the work is done in a horizontal shaft. There's no scaffolding to erect and no mechanics dangling from ropes. The on-site portion of the installation is much shorter, and work in the now vertical hoistway is done from the car top rather than from work platforms. This makes the process safer and more convenient. Also, there are no open hoistway doors, reducing injuries due to falls. We are your solution. Phoenix is the best in the industry. Our employees have the most experience in the modular elevator manufacturing industry, having produced them for over 20 years. Our modular elevators lead the industry in current installations, and our team prides itself on being able to meet a wide range of customer needs and tight deadlines. We provide a streamlined and hassle-free process from quote through installation. PME will simplify your construction process by providing off-site hoistway construction, a total lead time of 8 weeks for hydraulic elevators, and a total elevator install time of under a week. To find out more, contact us today and see how we can meet your needs on your next elevator project.